Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 14.2 question number 2. Let's solve question number 2. The question number 2 is factorize. Let us solve the equation. Question number 2 is number 1 is 4p square minus 9 q square. We'll use this identity that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, you can write this in this form as 2p whole square minus 3q whole square. Use this identity that a plus b and a minus b, or you can write here as 2p plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. This is the answer of question number 1. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is 63 a square minus 112 b square. Here you can take common. Take common, 7 is common, 7. If we take 7 as common, 7 is 63 a square minus 7 is 7, 4 42, 7 6 is 42 b square. Or you can write it here as 7. In the second bracket we can write 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. Or it can be written as 7. We again use this identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. We are getting 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. That is the answer of question number 2. Right? Now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is 49. Question number 3 is 49 x square minus 36, or it can be written as 7x whole square minus 6 square. Again we will use this identity that a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. That is 7x plus 6 into 7x minus 6, and that is the answer of question number 3. Now you solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is question number 4 is question number 4 is 16 x to the power 5 minus 144 to the power x to the power 3. Then we can take common here as take 4 x cube as common. 4 x cube. If we take 4 x cube as common, then 4 4 is 16, 4 x to the power 2 minus 4 3 is 12, 24, 4 6 is 24, 36. Then we are getting 4 x to the power cube. In second bracket you can write, I will apply the formula a square minus b square, that is 2x whole square minus 6 square, or it can be written as 4 x cube into 2x plus 6 into 2x minus 6, and that is the answer, right? The answer of question number 4. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 here is, we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is L plus M whole square minus L minus M whole square, or it can be written as a square minus b square. That can be written as a plus b into a minus b. L plus M plus L minus M, a plus b minus a minus b, that is L plus M plus M minus L minus M. Or it can be written in this way, in simple form, that is, we can write here as, we have this one. Here you see, we can write in this way, that this is take as A and this is as B, and A plus B into A minus B. Then you can write in third bracket A plus B, L plus M, A plus B is L minus M, A plus B into A minus B. This is A plus B. In second bracket we can write A plus B into A minus B, L plus M minus L minus M. Or it can be written as, in third bracket, L plus M plus L minus M into L plus M minus L minus into minus is plus M plus M. Therefore, we are getting, here you see, this M plus M minus M, this is plus L minus L. Therefore, we are getting 2L 2L into 2M, or we are getting 2 to the 4 LM. And that is the answer of question number 5. Let's solve question number 6. Question number 6 here you see is 9 x square y square minus 16. It can be written as 3 xy whole square minus 4 square. And you can write a plus b into a minus b, that is 3xy plus 4 into 3xy minus 4, and that is the answer of question number 6. Here we have used the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is question 5, 6, 7. Question number 7 here you see is x square. Question number 7 is x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square, or it can be written as, you see, a square minus 2xy plus y square, it is x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square minus z square, or it can be written as a square minus b square is this identity a plus b into a minus b, that can be written as x minus y plus z into a plus b to a minus b, x minus y minus z. Therefore, we are getting the answer as x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. That is the answer of question number 7. Here also you have used the identity a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. Let us solve question number 8. Let us solve question number 8. The question number 8 is 25 a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Here it can be written as, here you see, if you can write it here in this form, that is 25 a square minus, I have taken the minus 4b square minus 28bc minus 28bc plus 49c square, or it can be written as 5a whole square minus, in second bracket you can write, that is 2b whole square minus 2 minus 2 2b whole square minus 2 into 2b into 7c plus 7c whole square, right? Therefore, we are getting 5a whole square minus, this one is 2b minus 7c whole square, because here we applied the formula that a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. Now here we will apply the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, we are getting a plus b into a minus b. This is 5a plus 2b minus 7c, a plus b into a minus b into a minus b, 5a minus 2b plus 7c, and that is the answer. Therefore, we are getting 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus 2b plus 7c, that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.